Hello, friend. I'm Teacher Shelby. Welcome back to Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. I got a haircut. I cut my hair. But today we're going to learn English vocabulary for September and fall in the United States. This is our September vocabulary lesson. So, September is the start of fall or autumn. Maybe you've heard the season autumn, and it's a special time of year here in the US. The leaves change colors, the weather gets colder, and we have a lot of fun traditions. Let's learn some words and phrases you need to know. Are you ready to repeat after me? I have some general fall words, just general. Ready? Fall or autumn. So, fall is American English, autumn is British English. Here I say fall in the US. It's fall. Fall is my favorite season. Leaves. These are leaves. The leaves are falling. Rake. We rake the leaves into a pile. Rake. A leaf pile. Kids love to jump in a leaf pile. Crisp air or chilly mornings. The mornings feel crisp in September. Sweater weather. This is a little bit of a tongue twister. Sweater weather. It's time to wear sweaters. It's sweater weather. Now, what about holidays and traditions? In September, we have a holiday called Labor Day. It was last weekend. It's the first Monday of September, and it's the unofficial end of summer and start of fall. Now, another tradition here in fall in the US is back to school. Most kids and college students, university students, go back to school in August or September. Now, there's a lot of fun fall activities here. I love to do them. The first is a pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. This is a place where you can pick pumpkins. You can buy pumpkins to decorate your front porch or your house, your living room. Or pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice. This is a popular flavor. You can buy a pumpkin spice coffee, pumpkin spice muffins, pumpkin spice cookies. This flavor is everywhere in fall. Apple picking. Apple picking. People go to orchards to pick apples, to take apples home, to make apple butter, jam, applesauce. So fun. And apple cider. Apple cider, this is a sweet drink made from apples and lots of sugar. Now, a little bit about the weather and nature. In the fall, the leaves change colors. They go from red to orange to yellow, and they fall from the trees, which is why we call the season fall. The leaves fall. And the days get shorter and nights get longer. You might also go to a corn maze or a hayride. These are common fall activities too. Let's talk for a second about clothing. In September, we start wearing warmer clothes because the air is crisp. It's chilly. So I might wear a sweater or a scarf or boots or a jacket, right? I also love to enjoy cozy things. Something cozy is it's warm, it's comfortable, it's comforting, it's cozy. Like hot chocolate. I might sip hot chocolate, or I might eat a soup for dinner, a warm soup. Or I might sit by a fire pit or a bonfire with some friends. Now, finally, here are some phrases. Let's see if you can understand me. You can repeat after me. I have 5 phrases for you all about fall. The first one, the leaves are changing colors. What does this mean? The leaves are changing colors. Look, the leaves are changing colors. Number 2, it feels crisp outside. It feels chilly outside. You can use either word, crisp or chilly. It feels chilly outside. Oh, it's a little cold. What about number 3? Let's go to the pumpkin patch. Let's go to the pumpkin patch. The pumpkin patch, remember? Number 4, I love sweater weather. What is sweater weather? Do you remember? I love sweater weather. Yes. And the last one, this is true for me. Fall is my favorite season. Fall is my favorite season. Great job! Now you know some English vocabulary for September and fall here in the US. So tell me in the comments, what's your favorite season? And do you have fall where you live? Do you? Let me know. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend who's learning English, and check out the link in the description to give you a full list of all the vocabulary in today's lesson. And if you want last month's vocabulary lesson, August, it's all about summer, check it out here. I'll see you next time. Bye!